growing up as a kid, I had stage fright. Okay, and I was very shy to talk in front of so many people. And kudos to to her today. I'm like I feel confident and proud that she speaks in front of so many people without looking at the screen, without looking at a presentation. She was able to talk confidently in front of so many people. So that's my learning today.
And I would say the learning for me would be how well these kids were able to express themselves, to talk in front of such a large audience, and they did it really, really well. And I think to have this mindset so early in your lifetime that you have to find a solution to a problem, you need to identify a problem and be creative so that you come up with a solution which will be appealing to all your target audience. Fantastic.
My wife, she enrolled my kids in this, and by the time before they started, I didn't have any idea what exactly they're going to do. And then every day I found out from them, and I was very impressed, especially today, understanding from all the from design development to everything. So I think it's a great thing what the school is doing.
So I enrolled both my daughters for this program, and I think they both had a wonderful time over here. Every day, the 10 days that they came back with so many ideas, so many thoughts, sharing what was happening in the program. And today, after seeing the presentation, I think it was amazing to see how creative everybody is, how confident everybody is. And I think they had a lot of fun, and I think it was a wonderful program.
It was very exciting to see kids try and figure out problems and solutions by themselves. I think this is a good initiative. There's a long way to go for them. So yeah, good to see them heading in the right direction, because this is what you end up doing when you're either building a company or working in a company which is solving problems.
So for me, mine is an 8-year-old. I mean, ours is an 8-year-old. Not even one dull event or dull day with him during this camp. He was very intrigued, very excited. That's what the younger ones were looking at, that mom, we did this. And he was, the new vocabulary that he used, especially the prototype and the design thinking, that blew up my mind. I'm like, okay, that's interesting. So these little things mattered a lot.
So initially it was intriguing because it didn't kind of make sense how this will pan out. And I see that when I sit here and see, I understand all the processes they would have gone through. So I feel that now I understand the innovation, the market, the gap filling. What in the system are you filling for? So I believe that there's a whole lot that has happened here, and that is the fun part. So thank you so much.
The idea is obviously great. Getting kids to actually do something which has real world kind of problem solving, plus getting them to experience what entrepreneurship is like and going through the process of setting up a startup.
Today when I'm seeing it, they are marketing it, they are pitching it, they are understanding the value of things. So that's very important to understand what is money and how to get money. The team bonding between them, one guy is very he's like overconfident, or sometimes like he's talking about so many things, but then the other children are like, okay, this is the way. So there's a nice team bonding, they were doing it.
I think it's a great exposure. It's more serious than what we are just talking in terms of entrepreneurship. They've actually gone through the entire process from scratch, coming up with the idea, converting it into a live product, facing the challenges of how prototypes don't work and how you have to keep at it, and then moving on to execution in other areas like marketing, packaging, how they would sell it, price it. So basically covers all the important aspects of being an entrepreneur. I think the team is extremely young, energetic, so was very happy sending our daughter, and next we'll want to send our younger one also. So thank you.